Good morning, good afternoon, or good night whenever you are finding the time to watch this video. Thank you for coming back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my latest Mommylhey subscription box. I am on a no spin, but disclaimer, this was ordered before my no spin. So just want to get right into it. It is a subscription box, and she just changed the way you subscribe to her boxes. So I'm not sure if I'm going to renew. Being that I'm on a no spin right now and I'm really seeing how that's going. But let's jump right into it. So if this is your first time at my channel, please stick around. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to thumbs up or thumbs down, but let's get right into this box. So this is, her boxes usually come black with gold lettering, but I love pink, so I'm in love with this. But that's that. As you can tell, that is the website there. I will put that in the description box below. And here we go. So I did go ahead and open it, but I have not gone through everything that is in this box. So I'm going to start out with what is in this bag. Let's see here. And if you guys hear noise in the back, that is my cat. She is definitely making some noise. So let's see here. So first and foremost, you have Post-its, which that's so cute. Has little little animals up top. Hope you guys can see that. So this is a pack of Post-its. You get this pretty much in every box, some form of a Post-it, which is super cute as usual. You know, planner girls, we all need Post-its, of course. You get a stamp set. It's really cute there. I don't want to blind you guys with the plastic. You get multiple die cuts. Now, these are always fun. Guys, I have so many die cuts. It's not even funny. But I will lay these out for you all. Let me get some room here. Okay, so you guys can see that. They're all really cute. And this is my first time looking at them as well. So I'll just show you guys what they look like. And of course, you can decorate your planner with these, or if you're into scrapbooking, let me pull you guys in a little bit. If you're into scrapbooking, these are really cute. Choose kindness every single time. Some balloons. Today is going to be a great day. Never grow up, it's a trap. I believe that is very true. This is like hot cocoa, I believe. Cute little doggy. Another cute doggy. A cloud. Cupcake. Love hard. Cutie. Cutie, cutie. And a planner. So those are the die cuts that are in this particular box. I will put them away later. I don't want to waste you guys' time. And then also in this cute bag, she always has one of these really nice bags. I don't remember what these are called, but it's always in the box. You get a really nice roll of washi. I hope you guys can see that. So that is that. Also, what was in this bag was this really nice pen. Really nice pen there. Is one of the diamond tops. So that is that. Okay, it is a ballpoint pen, I believe. Yeah, ballpoint pen. That's that. There's a TN in this box. Lately, I have gotten a TN, I think, in the last 4 boxes that I've received from her. Really nice. This is more like I don't know what size this is. I think this is comparable to an A3, which is like a number 3 from Foxy Fix, if you're familiar. Really nice. This is like a faux leather. It comes with the inserts. This is really pretty. So that is that. You also get some bookmarks, which are cute, really cute. I haven't opened them yet, so it's my first time seeing them as well. But one with the planner, the cupcake, and one with a girl. Plans to do and today. Really cute. You get a planner charm, which is really nice. So that is how that looks, and it has a clip. Oh, and it's double-sided, so you can't go wrong. I think there is a plastic covering on these. That, you know, if you take it off, it looks more shiny, but I think there is a plastic covering. But that's that. You get a bag for all your goodies, which this is really cute. It says Girl Boss, and then she has her tag right there. You also get, this is like I don't know what you call this, like a dashboard, yeah. And it has a list of everything in the box on the back. So that's that. You also get a paper clip, which is a really cute planner. You know, I've received this box now, I think 3 or 4 months, and I will say it's a really good quality box if you are looking for a planner subscription, because it comes with everything. So it's a really nice paper clip. And then you get a whole pack of stickers. Oh my gosh. It's so many stickers. So you get the full boxes with page flags and hearts. If you guys can see that. Let me pull you in a little bit. So you get that. This looks like, you know, some decor. A to-do, plans, lists, groceries, schedule, some borders. Really nice. And you also get some, looks like the headers and some decor. Then some full boxes, page flags, and so forth. You get the dates, the days. If you guys can see that, because it's like a silver foil. So you get that. Then you get a really cute decor page, which is really nice. And then you get this one too, and it has the silver foil. So that's that. There's also, this was just the package. There's also stickers where you can color them. This is really cute too. So you can color your own stickers. Hope you guys can see that, sorry. So you can color your own stickers. It's a girl with a fro, so cute. I love the inclusiveness. And then you get tons of like scrapbook paper. So let me see here. So it's double-sided, of course, which is always nice. That's really pretty. And this one also. It has like a, it's not a foil. I'm not sure what that is, but it's really pretty. And then you get this one, which is all of the quotes, which is really nice. And the pink. And then to top it off, there's also some, this is acetate. I always get vellum and acetate confused with each other. But this is the acetate paper. So I'll show you guys behind. So it looks like this, but so you can see how it shows up. Okay. Or, you know, well, not that one, but if you want to do it on top of that one. So that's really pretty. And then you have this sheet as well, which shows up really pretty, let's say, in front of here. So that's it. So that is the Mommylhey box. This is the December box. Really nice. She has really great customer service. She has a page on Facebook. I am not one of her PR girls. I don't even think she has PR girls. But I have received her boxes, and I don't mind doing unboxings on my channel for her. So, well, not for her, but just to show you guys what I got. But hope you guys like this. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Don't forget to thumbs up or thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.